Okay, so today I'm making hot buttered rum. So make sure to watch this to the end because there is a little twist to it. This recipe is not my recipe. I actually found it on Martha Stewart, but I did my own ingredients, which I believe has made it even better. So take a look. Good afternoon. So welcome to my channel and welcome to fall. Yes, I believe fall was yesterday, 22nd. So, no. Hello all you sexy YouTubers and welcome to my channel. Make sure to share my videos with all of your other friends and family and other sexy people in your life because this is the beginning of my fall recipes. So with that, I am going to show you how to make buttered rum. I know there's lots and lots of recipes out there, but I'm making buttered rum today. I will have all of my ingredients listed down below, so I'm not gonna have to worry about telling you how much I'm putting in because that kind of takes up time. But I'm going to just show you what I'm doing. So first, I have I'm gonna tilt you guys down here a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, now I have to get down here. Hello. I'm very washed out. There we go. Okay, so yes, I'm on my knees so you can see me, but it's the only way I can tell you. So, recipe: 1 stick of unsalted butter, which this is usually like 4 ounces. So 1 stick is 4 ounces. So I'm just gonna throw that in there. And then I have my packed brown sugar. Okay, and then I have in here, I've got all my spices. So I have cinnamon, I have my ginger, I have my mace. Oh shoot, what else did I put in here? And nutmeg. So cinnamon, ginger, mace, and nutmeg, but it's just a pinch of mace. So you really want the other flavors to come out. So that's gonna go right on in. And you wanna make sure to get all of that good ingredients to come out. I need to stand up for this. So now I'm going to grate an orange. I need the zest of an orange. I'm just going to do this really quick. Now when you zest an orange, you do not want to get that white because the white actually makes it bitter. I have a candied orange recipe from my mother that I will actually use in future recipes. So we are just going to do 1 zest of an orange. I've got all of my ingredients in here. So I've got my orange zest, I have my butter, I have my sugars, my spices, and now the last thing I need is the juice of an orange. So I'm going to use my orange that I zested it, and I am just going to squeeze that in here. So now I'm going to mix this on medium until all of the ingredients are combined. Oh, I guess I need to plug in my mixer here. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna mix that all together, and it's gonna be about a minute for all of the ingredients to get mixed. So I made a mistake. Do not put the orange juice into the mixture. It separates it and it's not good. So I had to drain out all of that juice, and I'm actually gonna still keep it just because it's still gonna be good in the drink. Because it made it like a syrup. So just made it like a little syrup. So you really just want it to be like a thick, like butter, like mixed up butter is what you're wanting. So if it goes to liquid, that's not a good thing. Hopefully it's gonna still be good. I think it's still gonna be good. So it should still be good. I mean, it's alcohol, it's rum with flavoring. So this is what it's actually supposed to look like. So it's supposed to get this nice, you know, thick, almost like icing consistency is what it's supposed to do. So if it's separated, yeah, don't put the juice in. Just mix the ingredients without the juice, and you're gonna get this nice, beautiful, kind of caramel looking consistency. Focus. Don't focus on me. Come on, camera. There you go. So you get this nice, it's a nice, good, almost frosting, like I said, consistency. With that, let's start building this thing. I want to get a glass that is going to be heat, like a heat glass, like coffee mug, or if you have one of those fancy little bar hot glasses, you can use those. Pretty much anything you want. Anything you like, you can use. I'm actually using my kind of cool little rum glass. Here's what we're doing. I am actually going to use my, you can't see this. Okay. I'm going to switch you over here. I cannot believe it. I shot this entire video and I was pushing the wrong button. So I was actually pushing off instead of on, or stop recording instead of recording. I am showing you this once again. So I literally cannot believe I just did that. So I am on my second drink. Yay! So I'm going to show you this again. Here's my my butter that I've mixed all the ingredients. So I'm going to take, it's 2 tablespoons of this butter. So it's a lot of butter for this recipe in each drink, which is insane. 1 tablespoon, and I've actually put hot water in here because that's really what you want to do, because it mixes and melts that butter. So I'm just going to mix that and let the butter kind of come off and just melt my glass. And I'm going to do another one here. Ooh, yes. Okay. What I was saying in my other video, because I totally forgot, is that this is just butter. It's literally just butter with, you know, seasoning in it. So it's really good on bread, or it could be really good on toast, waffles. You can make some really good pancakes with it because it's just butter. Okay, so now I am using my Plantation. Doubt you guys are going to be able to see this. There we go. Ooh, my Plantation 5-year rum. This is probably my favorite rum. It's what I use in all of my drinks. And I like my drinks a little boozy. Bougie, boozy, boozy. I like my drinks boozy. So I'm just gonna add that right on in. And we're gonna stir that around. I'm gonna take some of this juice that I had forgotten and mistakenly put into the mixer, which you're not supposed to do. And I'm just gonna add some of that right into the drink. So, we're gonna taste this again. Mix, mix, mix. So it's coming out to this beautiful caramel color. It's nice and warm and it smells so very good. So we're gonna try this again. Because this is my second drink in like 15 minutes. 4 ounces of alcohol down the chute. Bottoms up again. It is so very good. It is so very good. So that is the hot rum. What is this? Hot rum. So this is the hot buttered rum. Oh my gosh, this is a disaster. So yeah, hot buttered rum. It's actually really, really good. I really enjoy it. So what I did before I totally messed up was my other ingredient that is not part of this recipe is I do a scoop, oh my gosh, not a scoop. I do a tablespoon of vanilla ice cream. And I just put it in there and I just let that melt. It makes it so much creamier because some recipes actually want you to use heavy whipping cream to get that nice, whipping cream taste. But I kind of mix it around. I'll show you here. Some ice cream as a, it's kind of like a garnish if you want. So yeah, use it as a little garnish. And you can sprinkle some cinnamon on top if you like, or some of the leftover orange shavings. So good. That is so very good. Like I said, it's very scrumptious. Make sure to subscribe below. Make sure to check out my other videos on my drink videos, and I will make sure to put playlists right here and check out those other drinks. Make sure to share this with all of your friends if you know they like hot buttered rum. This would be great. Also, if you don't like rum, you can always use whiskey. Who knew? Yes, use whiskey. Use whatever you want in this recipe, as long as it's a nice dark spiced liqueur. With that, I am off. I'm gonna drink my 3rd glass of hot buttered rum. With that, I'm off. You guys have a wonderful and fantastic day, and we will talk to you very, very soon.